Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush level 230. Your main goal is to clear all 81 double jelly squares on the board. You'll have 45 moves to achieve this. It's a 9 by 9 grid, so planning your moves carefully from the start is crucial for success. Let's dive into the specifics of this challenging level. This level presents a board filled with challenging obstacles. You'll encounter both chocolate and licorice swirls. Remember, chocolate spreads rapidly if not cleared every turn, consuming valuable space. Licorice swirls are also tricky, blocking your candy matches and preventing special candy effects. Prioritize clearing these blockers to open up the board and create more matching opportunities. To conquer this level, focus on creating powerful special candies. Striped and wrapped candies are your best friends here. A fantastic strategy is combining a color bomb with a striped candy. This clears a huge portion of the board. Always clear chocolate as soon as possible to stop its spread. Working from the bottom often creates cascades, helping you clear more jelly. Remember these key tips for success. Always be on the lookout for chances to create powerful special candy combinations. Avoid making single candy matches if a better special candy opportunity exists. Planning several moves ahead will maximize your impact and conserve your limited 45 moves. Keep your focus on those 81 double jelly squares, and you'll clear this level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.